Don't throw away old tires. Today I'm going to teach you how to build a 100% sustainable garden using old tires, which you might even find in your own trash. This is a 100% renewable project that will help you save a lot of money. It's very easy to make, very economical, and I'm sure you're going to love it. First, you should wash the tire with soap and water, removing all the dirt and impurities it contains. It's very simple. I will use detergent and a scrub brush. You spread the soap all around the tire and just scrub it. Then, rinse it with water. Look at how much dirt this tire had. Okay. I will use these stakes to serve as legs. But be careful. The legs should be tall enough so that the garden doesn't reach your dogs, if you have any, to avoid contact. With the stake, I was able to make 4 legs about 90 centimeters tall. It's an ideal and perfect height to keep your pet away. All right, now we're going to attach the 4 legs inside the tire. We'll make 4 openings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Attaching the legs to the tire. These openings will allow the wood to go all the way to the bottom, and it will stay very firm, as you'll see. I'm going to use a small table knife, but very carefully. You should mark the spot where you'll make the hole. It needs to be the same width as the wood, okay? Then press down firmly while holding it steady. Done. Now just make the cut. See? It was very simple, very easy, and really quick. Now let's check if it fits. Look how it turned out. I'll take this one out and make the rest of the holes, all right? See how quick and easy it was? All right, I've made the 4 holes. Now I'm going to attach the 4 stake legs. First, this one, I'll place it here. Second, this one, I'll place it here. Third, this one I'll place it upside down, like this. And finally, I'll place this one right here. And now, it's time for the magic. You're simply going to grab it, flip it over, and nail it in place with 4 nails. Just like that. Now here's the thing, I'm just going to secure the legs. With nails and a hammer, I'll fasten the tire to the wood like this. It's very easy. Now I'm going to nail the other wooden legs to the tire. Let's go. It's very economical. I only needed 4 nails. I'll show you that even with just 4 nails, it stays very sturdy and upright. It doesn't fall. This structure is very secure. The legs are fixed. Now let's do the lining. Notice that each leg has a gap that will serve as a drainage for the water. But I need to cover that opening at the bottom. I can use styrofoam or some metal sheets, as you can see. But I'm going to use wood because I was going to throw this wood away. So I'll reuse it so I don't waste it, making full use of it. See how the wood stays very firm. It's old wood, but it's in perfect condition. Now, pay attention. Every garden must have proper drainage so that water can flow out quickly. However, as the water drains, it shouldn't carry away the soil's nutrients, like the substrate, leaves, and fertilizer. That's why we need a green mesh like this one. You can find this green mesh at stores that sell construction materials. Notice how it covers everything completely, and this allows the roots to stay comfortable. Now I'm going to place another piece of wood on top so the soil doesn't put too much pressure on the center of the tire. Now you can see the base lining of our tire garden is ready. It turned out perfect. Now I'm going to show you how strong and sturdy the structure is. Now I'm going to use this tool called a hole saw. With it, I'll make holes all around the tire, creating sections for my garden. This helps with balance, the life cycle, and overall productivity. It was quick. Look how clean the holes turned out. This protects the stems of the vegetables. Now I'm going to make all the holes and show you. Wear protective gear, especially a mask and safety goggles. was very easy and quick, as you can see. Now I'm going to remove these little wheels one by one. You'll enjoy working on this. It's fun. All right, it's almost ready, but everything is dirty. I'm going to take it apart and wash it with water. Everything's clean. Now, I'm going to place the wood and then the mesh, just like I showed you before. Now let's check the water drainage. The water should flow out smoothly and effortlessly. See, the drainage is perfect, which means the plant roots will breathe, preventing them from rotting and extending their lifespan. Now I'm going to teach you a mix for growing green onions, cilantro, and parsley. I'll use in this mix 1 part soil or potting soil, half a part sand, and 1 part chicken or cow manure. You should mix all the materials right on the ground. You can use a shovel or any tool to mix. I'm going to use a tool called a hoe. It's simple. You mix by pulling all the material to one side. Then you pull all the material to the other side. And repeat the whole process. This will make everything well mixed. Done. All the material is mixed. You see, this technique is simple but effective. Notice that it's well mixed. If it's your first time planting, before adding manure, you should buy already composted manure or compost the manure yourself so it doesn't harm the plant roots. Fresh manure placed directly in the soil will heat up and ferment, burning the roots. Soil is ready. Now I'm going to add it to the tire garden bed. Little by little, you should spread the soil with your hands. Spread it all around, but don't press it. Just fill the entire space. See, it's very easy, and I'm sure you'll approve and make one at home. The garden bed is ready now. Next, I'm going to plant a simulation of how your cilantro, green onions, or parsley will look. It's simple. You take the green onion seedlings and plant them in the holes. If they're fresh seedlings, plant them directly, but if they're seedlings like these bought at the market, you should trim the roots and leaves. Since I'm teaching you, I'll just plant so you can see how the final result will look. And it's simple. You dig using your hands behind the holes and at the same time, place the green onions into the hole. Then you cover the roots. Let's recycle and be responsible, productive, and sustainable. Even though it's a tire, its shape provides an endless harvest cycle. Watch this. There are 20 holes here, with 20 green onions. If every day I harvest 2 leaves from one hole, and the next day do the same from another hole, by the time the cycle is complete, the first green onion will have healed and started growing again. That way, I can harvest the other side I left at the beginning. This way, I won't need to plant or buy green onions for several months. Many people ask me if planting in tires is bad for health or if it can even cause cancer. So, I decided to research and talk about it. The truth is that yes, tires contain toxic substances like heavy metals and hydrocarbons, but these substances don't easily release. They only release when the tire is at high temperature and under friction, like on streets with moving cars. In the garden, the tire stays still, in the shade or sun, without any friction. So the risk of releasing something that contaminates the plants is practically zero. Also, a tire takes over 600 years to decompose, so the chance you'll be planting in the same tire for that long is zero. In practice, most vegetables and herbs don't even last 1 year. If you were going to be afraid, it would be better to be afraid of breathing street air, where tires are constantly wearing down. Another thing, many plastic pots we use also have toxic substances and decompose faster, yet no one worries about that. My opinion? Planting in tires is safe, practical, and sustainable. Instead of leaving tires lying around polluting the environment, we give them a new use. But if you still feel unsure, that's okay. Use them to plant flowers or plants that won't go on your table. The important thing is to reuse and recycle whenever you can. I planted green onions and cilantro, but you can plant whatever you want. This tire garden bed will help you a lot. Also, you can make several and be sustainable by planting almost anything. Tell me, did it turn out perfect? Look how beautiful it is. This deserves your like and your subscription. With a simple old tire found in the trash, I built a sustainable garden bed with the ideal height to keep my dogs from destroying the vegetables. Reusing tires helps prevent harm to animals, rivers, and lakes. Please share my video and help me build a better place for our children and grandchildren. I sincerely wish that God walks by your side and that you are always healthy and happy. Thank you very much.